Hey everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to do carrot and ginger soup. It's super easy and very affordable too. You will need 1 tablespoon vegetable oil, 1 large onion chopped, 2 tablespoons grated ginger, 2 garlic cloves sliced or crushed, half teaspoon ground nutmeg, 850 ml vegetable stock, 500 grams carrots preferably sliced or diced, 400 grams chickpeas in a tin. You may also use a different type of beans like cannellini beans. So let's get cracking. Heat the oil in the pan, add the onions, ginger, and garlic. Cook for 5 minutes. I love using ginger when cooking because apart from giving flavor to the food, it is also very healthy and therapeutic, especially when you have sore throat, colds, or flu. Then we'll add nutmeg and cook for a minute. Oh, I love the smell of ginger. Now we're going to add the vegetable stock, carrots and beans with the liquid, no need to drain. We're going to leave it to simmer for 20 to 25 minutes. Scoop a third mixture into a bowl and blitz the rest of the soup. Add all the soup in the pot and heat until nice and hot. Toast the almonds for a few minutes, making sure it doesn't get burnt. Serve with some toasted flake almonds and a dash of nutmeg. There you have it, carrot and ginger soup, super easy and affordable too.